Hi everyone, my name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician, and in this video I am going to show you how to use the simple micellar gel wash and the Garnier micellar water. This is the micellar hyaluronic aloe water all in one, and yes, basically I'm going to show you how to use these two products in your skincare routine. And the first thing you want to do is to go in with the micellar water and put some of this on a cotton pad like so. I've practically run out of this because I use this ever so often. So you want to wipe your entire face, and this is really good, especially if you have lots of makeup on your face or if you have your sunscreen. Basically, this is just like double cleansing, where this micellar water serves as a first cleanser, because micellar water can be used in the absence of cleansers, but cleansing face with water is the ultimate. So I'm just wiping my face. All I have on my face is my skincare from the morning and then my SPF. So I'm just wiping all this off. So that's how you want to use your micellar water first. And so at this point, I'm done cleaning my face with the micellar water, trash the cotton pad. Then the next thing you want to do is to go in with the face wash, so the micellar gel wash. And this is, I've basically done a review on this gel cleanser, so I will be sure to put a link. Let me not make this video too long and talk about it, but it's an amazing cleanser. So just put a little on my hand like so, and I always like to wet my hands a little bit. Massage this on my palm and gently rub this on my face. So that's how you want to do it. You always have to be gentle when handling your face. You want to take your time, spend about 60 seconds massaging your face and ensuring that you cover all parts of your face and not forgetting your neck as well. So just take your time and massage. After massaging, you rinse your face off with lukewarm water, not hot water. So at this point, I'm done rinsing my face thoroughly. So you always want to rinse your face with lukewarm water. Never use hot water on your face, because basically hot water isn't the best option to use. And if you know those days maybe you have loads and loads of makeup on, you can go back and use more micellar water with cotton pad to wipe your entire face. But if it's just like a day like today when I just my face wasn't exactly so dirty before I washed it, I would proceed with other skincare products. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to do the rest of my skincare and then I'll be back. So guys, I'm done with my treatments, serums and moisturizers. Now, once again, let me reiterate how to use these two products. So you want to start off by using your micellar water, wipe your entire face gently with the cotton pad. Then afterwards you follow up with your simple gel wash. And these two products are amazing because they are very calming and very gentle. So, and they're good for sensitive skin. Like this particular micellar water has aloe vera. Aloe vera is known to be very calming, and it says that it's for dehydrated and sensitive skin. So it's a very good combination. And here basically it removes makeup, cleanses and replumps, enriched with hyaluronic acid, and this can be used on the face, lips and eyes, and you do not need to rinse it off. But personally, I love to rinse my face off when I use micellar water. And then this gel wash, it's super. I absolutely love it, and it's also very hydrating, and it has no colors, no perfumes or harsh chemicals. So after using your cleanser, you rinse your face. If you have a toner, this is the point where you use your toner. In the absence of a toner, just moisturize your skin, and that's it for nighttime. But in the daytime, after using your moisturizer, you want to end with your SPF. So you must always use a moisturizer to lock in all the moisture. Don't just use these two products and go on. You're not going to get all the benefits of this product. So basically, this is how you want to incorporate these two products in your skincare routine. Have you tried them before? Let me know if you've tried this product or any other micellar water. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section and I'll do my best to answer them. With all that being said, thank you for watching and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.